Good morning and welcome to Skiathos on a very early morning. Now I'm setting off at sort of before 7 in the morning and going for a bit of a hike up in the hills behind this hotel. So yeah, never been up there before, but I thought I'd go nice and early to avoid the heat. So yeah, let me take you on the journey. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at bus stop 18. And something you might not have noticed before in Skiathos, right? If you have a look at the bus shelter here, you will see there's a little sign there, the hiking sign. Now, showing you that's hike number 4. So there's a number of hikes you can do in the island, and this is the starting point of the hike. So it's good to know when you see these signs, and then there's little signs along the way just to show you where you're going in the right direction. So yeah, so it's that way. Let's go. Okay, so we're just on our way out of the Troulos area. Now this hike goes up into the hill behind us. It's not a particularly strenuous one. It should take about an hour and a half. And there's a bit of a short climb to start with apparently. But yeah, it's a very quiet morning. Skiathos is very different at this time in the morning. Okay. So reached the first, it says P2. I'll show you what there's a book which shows you where these walks go, so I'll show you that in a bit, but that indicates we're going in the right direction, so we're going up this way. Right, so I think this is a bit of a climb, this bit up here, so it's best you don't do this in the middle of the day, especially at the moment, because it is hot in the middle of the day. Okay, so I'm getting close to the top. It is a bit of an effort. I certainly wouldn't want to do this in the middle of the day, but yeah, you can see hopefully behind me there's you can see mainland Greece in the background, and yeah, you get quite a nice view from up here. I think it gets even better further up, so let's go and see what it looks like. Right, nearly at the top, and the Skiathos villas, they look very fancy. Well, check out the view they've got as well. Amazing. Well, check this out. Sun's just coming up there. You can see there's Troulos Bay there, I believe. Is it Troulos? Yes. Yeah. And Nos there, the Canopitsa headland. You really do get spectacular views from up here. And it is now 10 to 7 still, so yeah, and it's still quite warm. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. You can see, look, the moon is still up in the sky. It's that early. Well, just a bit further along you get even better view. It's absolutely phenomenal up here. It is so beautiful. Check this out, there's some nice properties up here. Just imagine having your house here right on the hills. Look how nice that looks. miles away from anywhere else. Beautiful views. This is a bit weird. It's like it looks like a bus stop at the top. Look, it's even got like bus stop seats. I don't know what this is. It's just someone's lookout post. But look, I don't know, what is it? It's like a little kiosk. Weird. Yeah, that is strange. I wonder what that's for. There's like a seat inside. It's like a little booth. Don't know. They're selling tickets for the view. Yeah, you get a good view of mainland Greece. You probably can't tell from here, but if I zoom in a bit, you can see mainland Greece in the background. Looks really close. So that looks like it's Troulos down there. And I think, if I'm not wrong, that is La Luna up on the hill. Now, we've never stayed there, but it looks amazing. So I think we might stay there at some point. But that's the Troulos Valley down there, where I'll end up at the end of this walk. Okay, so reached the top of the next hill, and you can see the little sign behind me is showing you the right direction to go is that way. But yeah, I keep on stopping every 2 minutes to look at the view. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, that's P5 on the map. It's so quiet up here. Okay, so here's where one of these signs comes in very handy. If you haven't got a map, you see there you've got a little yellow sign, and it's telling me to go down that way. So if you didn't know, it's a fork in the road, you could easily go the wrong way. Alright, so if you ever seen my first video I did on Skiathos, I went up the other side of Troulos, and I went and stood next to that mobile telephone mast, so you can see in the background. Honestly, there's literally not a sound up here. It's so peaceful. Right, on our way back down now. Okay, So back onto the main road into Troulos. You can see here, there is a little sign there, but it's not a yellow one. But it does say hiking number 4. So we know, got to go that way, back into Troulos. So the final leg of the hike. So yeah, the actual way back to Troulos, to finish the rest of the hike, is that way. Now, I'm going to take a little, well no, not a shortcut actually, it's going to be a bit of a long cut. I'm going to go through the back of Troulos. I'm going to go down to the beach. It'll be nice and quiet this morning. So just to show you what the beach is like first thing in the morning. Shame I haven't got my bathers, otherwise I would have gone for a swim. But yeah, I'll take you around the back here and show you sort of, there's a little track that goes right through the back of Troulos. Okay, so this is the Sunrise Taverna. I have to remember this. Between 12 and 2, it's happy hour. Get a beer for €3. Looks like a nice place to eat. Well, I've heard about this place, but never been. Oregano is supposed to be really nice. To try that at some point. Okay, so we're on Troulos Beach now. Not many other people here. Some people come for an early morning swim, but it is just so beautiful down here. And that's the end of my walk. I thought I'd end in some place beautiful like this. It's what I would like to say is, let me just show you. I have brought with me, which I checked on regular intervals. If I can find it. There is a book. Now, forgive me if I get your name wrong, mate. It's by Ortwin Widman. He's a German guy, and he does each of the hikes in Skiathos is detailed out in here, and it really is helpful. So, yeah, it costs €10. I picked up the German one to start with, so just be careful which version you're picking up. But yeah. it does show you. I'll show you the. I'll show you what this hike looks like. It's number 4. So, if you look at this, this is the one we've just done. Obviously, with a deviation to Troulos at the end. But yeah, so this is the number 4 hike, upper path of Troulos. So there we have it. Right, let's get back to the hotel. So I hope you enjoyed the video.